Hello everyone, in front of me is NOKIA C21 Plus, and let me show you how to update apps on this device. At first you have to open your Play Store, then click on your account icon, and here you will notice Manage Apps and Device, so this marker, and then select Updates Available. Here you will be able to find all apps that can be updated. And if you wish to update, for example, clock, just mark on clock on update icon right next to its icon. But also you can update all apps at once. To do it, just tap on update all here, and then it will be done. Meanwhile, you can use your device in a normal way. Then whenever you will go back to your Play Store, you'll be able to observe your progress. So that's it. This will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.